Hello, my dear students. I hope that you all are fine, and now we can carry on our studies. So, the next topic in periodic table is the electron gain enthalpy, that is also known as electron affinity. What do you mean by electron gain enthalpy? Okay. See, beta. Suppose we have an atom, sodium. Suppose we have an atom, sodium. It is losing one electron. What it is doing? It is losing an electron. So it requires some energy. But this electron will move towards another atom. तो जब वो एटम उस इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करेगा, सपोज इट इज गेन बाय क्लोरीन एटम, सपोज इट इज गेन बाय क्लोरीन एटम. So for gaining this electron, it also requires some energy. It also requires some energy. So when a neutral isolated gaseous atom, accept an electron, जब accept electron करेगा तो क्या होगा, उस पर negative charge आएगा. So to gain this electron and have the negative charge, some energy is released over there. What I said, to gain an electron, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करने के लिए प्लस उस पे जो चार्ज आता है उसको गेन करने के लिए, the amount of energy released is known as electron affinity और इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी. देखिए नेम से क्लियर है, इट इज गेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन. एंथैल्पी मींस एनर्जी. टू गेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन, the required amount of energy which is released, it is known as electron gain enthalpy. It depends upon the effective nuclear charge as well as atomic size. We all know very well that this effective nuclear charge is inversely proportional to the size, atomic size. So as the size get increased, this charge get decreased. ठीक है. The electron gain enthalpy, it increases when we move from left to right in period. क्यों? Because when we move from left to right, the non-metallic character increases, and as the non-metallic character increases, the tendency to gain electron also increases. So with the decrease in atomic size, the tendency of gaining electron increases and the electron gain enthalpy also increases. But when we move from up to down, the size get increased, but this enthalpy got a decrement over. I hope it is clear to you. Now the next term is electronegativity. What do you mean by electronegativity? देखो बेटा, as the ion form, similarly they form ionic compound, and they also form the covalent compound by sharing of electron. ठीक है, we will study it. So when sharing is take place, sharing means, इसको ऐसा समझो, suppose in a examination, two students are sitting. One asks, अरे यार please tell me the answer of question number 4. At that time the person says, firstly tell me the answer of question number 3rd, I will tell you the answer of 4th one. So एक आपने बताया, एक उसने बताया, पैरेलली शेयरिंग हुई. ठीक है. सो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी भी शेयरिंग में ही होती है, वेयर कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म्स. इट इज द टेंडेंसी of an atom what I said, it is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair electron. इसको ऐसे समझो बेटा, टग ऑफ वॉर. टग ऑफ वॉर में क्या होता है, एक रोप होती है एंड दो साइड्स पे टू टीम्स होती हैं, ठीक है. सो द टीम विच हैज मोर अट्रैक्शन पावर, दैट टीम विल विन. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी यही है, द एलिमेंट हैव मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, it will attract the shared pair molecule itself. For example, HCl. Chlorine and hydrogen, two atoms are over here in which a single bond is formed, means a sharing of one electron is going to take place. The electronegativity of chlorine is more than that of hydrogen. What I said, the electronegativity of chlorine is more than that of hydrogen. So what will happen? What will happen? This chlorine will try to attract the shared. एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की शेयरिंग हो रही है, एक हाइड्रोजन ने दिया and one was contributed by chlorine, but it is more powerful. So what it will do? It will try to pull the electron of hydrogen also. So that's why a partial positive charge, not complete, what I said, partial, ठीक है, positive charge comes on hydrogen, while a partial negative charge comes on chlorine atom. So this is the called as electronegativity. I repeat it again, the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair electron. जो भी electron share हो रहा है उसको अपनी ओर attract करने की tendency that is known as electronegativity. It increases when we move from left to right in period. जब हम left to right, with the increase of atomic number, when we move from left to right in period, it increases. But as we move from up to down in group, it get decreased. Next topic is diagonal relationship. Diagonal means suppose I had taken a square, ठीक है, so this is known as diagonal, means the opposite sides, two opposite sides and their opposite ends are joined together by the line. That line is known as diagonal. Diagonal relationship क्या है? The elements of second period means such as sodium, magnesium, जिसमें आते हैं, sorry, sodium, magnesium, lithium, the lithium, beryllium, ठीक है. So the elements of second period show resemblance with the elements of next group and third period. For example, lithium is in second period. In next period, first of all beryllium, then after magnesium comes. ठीक है, lithium is present in group second and period second, ठीक है, group first period second, while magnesium is present in group second and period third. So the properties of lithium will be similar, almost similar, that will of magnesium. For example, these are groups and these are periods, ठीक है. Lithium belong to second period. These are the elements of second period, and these are the elements of third period. These are the elements of third periods. So जो फर्स्ट पीरियड फर्स्ट ग्रुप के सेकंड है या सेकंड ग्रुप का जो भी सेकंड पीरियड के जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स है, सेकंड पीरियड के एलिमेंट्स, their property match with the property of the third period of next group. As why? because their electronegativity are almost similar to each other. See, if we see the comparison, here we are coming from up to down. Up to down जब हम आते हैं, the electronegativity decreases. That means the electronegativity of lithium is more than that of sodium. ठीक है. While if we compare with the electronegativity of lithium and magnesium, magnesium has more electronegativity than that of sodium, because when we move from left to right, the electronegativity increases. तो इसकी electronegativity इसके comparison में ज़्यादा होगी. So almost lithium and magnesium have the same electronegativity. That's why they show the diagonal relationship. Similarly, barium, aluminium, boron, silicon show the same property. This is known as diagonal relationship. The next topic is atomic number. Atomic number means the number of electron or proton present in any atom. ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ पे एक वर्ड बहुत ज्यादा है, ध्यान देना है, प्लीज बी केयरफुल. The number of an electron or proton present in any atom, I am repeating, in any atom, that is known as atomic number of that element. It is represented by Z. What I said, the number of electron or proton present in any atom. Why I said atom over here? Because here I am using a term electron also. Only in case of atom, number of electron is equal to the atomic number. If we talk about iron, तो कोई भी atom electron lose कर देगा या gain करेगा. In that case, the number of electron get changed over there. So we can't use the term ion molecule or substance. We have to mention over here atom. So the number of electron or proton present in any atom is called atomic number of the element. It is represented by Z. While the next term is atomic mass. Atomic mass means the total number of nucleons. Nucleons means, what do you mean by nucleon? Nucleons means the sum of proton and neutron present in nucleus. The sum. Nucleons means sum of proton and neutron present in nucleus of any atom is known as its atomic mass. It is represented by capital A. Here I have mentioned two formulas. Formula number 1, atomic number is equal to number of electrons and equal to number of protons. But only in case of atom, number of electron will equal to atomic number. The second formula is atomic mass is equal to number of proton plus number of neutrons. Next topic is isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species means जैसे isotopes having same atomic number, different atomic mass. Similarly, iso means common, electronic means electrons, means species having the same number of electrons. ठीक है बेटा, a very important thing which what I want to say you, here a single atom will be over here, rest of them are ions, means जब भी हम किसी isoelectronic species के बारे में discuss करेंगे, there will be only a single atom, rest of the species will be in ionic form. For example, neon. The atomic number of neon is 10. That means it have 10 electrons. Sodium. In sodium, total number of electrons are 11. But when it lose one electron, that means a positive charge come on it. 11 minus 1, that means again 10 electron. Similarly, in magnesium, total number of electrons are 12, but over here there is plus 2 charge, means 12 minus 2, that is 10. Aluminium, there are 13 electrons, but due to positive 3 charge, it all again loses 3 electron and have electrons. In previous slide, we have discussed the two formulas. On basis of those two formulas, some numerical questions came in the question paper. We will discuss about that now. Find the number of electron, proton and neutron in the following case. The very first is sodium. Atomic number of sodium is 11, while the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Atomic number of sodium is 11, while the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Here it is in an atomic form. So we know that in case of atom, the atomic number is equal to number of proton and number of electrons. The atomic number is 11, hence the proton and electron will also in 11. Atomic mass is equal to होता है बेटा proton plus number of neutrons. We all know atomic mass is 23, and from here we had find out that proton are 11 in numbers. After putting the value, what we get, the number of neutron is 12. Next is chlorine ion, Cl negative. The atomic number of chlorine is 17, while the atomic mass of chlorine is 35. See, here it is in ionic form, Cl negative. That means it is gaining one electron. What is going on? It is gaining one electron. So if it will be in atomic case, then Z is equal to 17 है. Atomic number कितना है? 17. Then in atomic case, the proton and electron will be 17. But here it is one negative charge, that means it is gaining one electron, hence the number of electron will be 18. Now for neutron, we have to use the formula atomic mass is equal to proton plus neutron. Atomic mass 35, usually जो क्लोरीन का atomic mass होता है, it is 35.5. But we can't use that in over here because proton, electron, neutron can't be in fractional form. So I am using the normal 35 value. So the number of neutron will be 18. The third one is calcium ion. Calcium have plus 2 charge. Plus 2 charge matlab that means it is accepting electrons. It is accepting electrons. कितने कर रहा है? 2. How many? 2. That's why plus 2. Sorry, it is not accepting. It is donating. I'm really very sorry. Plus charge here, that means it is donating electron. And how many electron? 2 electrons. Okay. So the atomic mass is equal to 20, while the atomic mass is equal to 40. In neutral form, it has number of proton and electron 20. But here there is 2 positive charge. That means it is losing 2 electrons or donating 2 electrons. So the electron get decreased by 2. That means the total number of electron is 80. While the atomic mass is equal to proton plus neutron. So when we put the value over here, the number of neutron will be 20. In this way, we can find out the number of electron, proton and neutron. That's all, my dear students. The chapter first of your syllabus, that is periodic table, is finished now. Okay, I hope you understand the chapter, and if you have any query, Please mention in comment section. Wish you very all the best. Thank you.